So yesterday we went to get some Italian. Unfortunately, some of that sauce landed on the seat. So luckily we have dudewipes to the rescue. This stuff is magic. It is all organic, plant-based, no fragrance, no flowery scents. It is just pure clean power. Dudewipes. This stuff, you just take it and you clean it up. Look at this. Getting rid of all that gunk, all that mushroom, all that smelly business. We just take it off, man. One by one. Swipe left, swipe right. Let's go, 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 go. That is the power of dudewipes. No mess, no fuss. Look at it. Now get yourself a pack of these dudewipes. Dude, you need this. Wipe it. Wipe, dude, wipe, dudewipes.